Are you looking for the perfect home for your family in one of Surrey's most desirable and connected neighborhood? Look no further. Welcome to the stunning 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse in the heart of Fleetwood.
Built by Anthem Properties, this home offers over 1,500 square feet of modern living, complete with a side-by-side double garage, ideal for a growing family. With thoughtful design and ample space, you'll enjoy both comfort and style. I'm Jim.
And I'm Ann. Come on in and let's check out your new home. Located just an 8-minute walk to Frost Road Elementary and nestled between two brand new upcoming Skytrain Station, you have the perfect mix of convenience and accessibility. Plus, being minutes from Highway 1 means a quick trip across the city a breeze.
Enjoy exclusive amenities like a yoga studio, fitness center, and a clubhouse right at your doorstep. Perfect for balancing work, life, and wellness. Whether it's family outings to the Fleetwood Community Center or Surrey Sports Complex, grocery shopping, or even dining at your local restaurant, everything you need is just a moment away.
This isn't just a house, it's your family's future home in a thriving, family-oriented community. Don't miss a chance to be a part of Fleetwood's exciting future. Reach out to us today to book your private tour and for more information.